2018, Saturday, May 12th, 2018, from 8 to 12 in the evening. It's going to be located at the Grand Ballroom, Hilton Center City.
Prom tickets. There is a limited number of tickets, so do not wait until the last minute. Prom tickets will be $60 a person, and they're exclusively sold online. Tickets will be sold until Friday, May 4th of 2018. If you have an outstanding financial obligation or you are on 365, you will be unable to attend prom. Each junior or senior may purchase one guest ticket in addition to their own, and all guests must be 21 years old or younger.
Entrance to the prom. There will be a charge for the parking lot at the Hilton and surrounding areas. Parking costs will vary. You are able to park any available lot, but parking costs are at your expense. You may enter via the escalators, and no entry through other doors/elevators will be allowed. You have a ticket to enter prom, which will look like the business card size, and you must have a photo ID to enter, and your guests must also have an ID with their date of birth. You must be dressed appropriately to enter.
Prom photos. All photos, regardless of the medium, are expected to comply with common rules/regard for decency, appropriateness, and fun. Please enjoy the event and make memories in the form of photos. Carolina Photography, our yearbook company, will set up a formal picture at the prom. We have rented a photo booth for the prom, and there will be themed props to use for the photo booth. You'll get 2 to 3 photos free, and the photo booth is rented as a courtesy through our DJ.
Rules for prom are the same throughout Mallard Creek High School and CMS rules.
Alcohol and drug use at prom. No alcohol and drug use will be tolerated. A breathalyzer will be on site. CMPD officers and school resource officers will monitor the students. All violations of substance abuse will warrant school disciplinary and/or CMPD consequences. Students found to be under the influence of drugs/alcohol will be denied entry to the prom, and their parents will be contacted. Possible disciplinary action will follow.
Dress code. You'll be denied entry to the prom if your attire is expected to be inappropriate by on-site chaperones and classy mavericks. Ladies, in the back, dresses should not be lower than your natural waistline. No dresses with a V neckline to the navel. No two-piece dresses with an open midriff or more than 1 to 2 inches off stomach/midriff shown. Additional midriff portions may not show even with mesh/lace in the dress. No slits should be higher than the mid-thigh, and all short dresses must be at least fingertip length. Gentlemen, you are required to wear a tuxedo suit or nice sports coat, slacks, and a tie. No sneakers or t-shirts at all.
The DJ playlist suggestions. Students can submit songs to be considered for the playlist for the evening. Please note all music is subject to screening and approval by ATG, our DJ. Not all requests are able to be honored. Go to the following website and follow these directions.
Have any questions? Please see Ms. Kelher in B204, Ms. Carpenter in B108, Ms. Lipchin in B107, Ms. Pullen in the main office, or Principal Gary. And you can contact them at either of these sites.